Welcome to Homework Answers. We're going through the textbook Programming, Logic, and Design, 8th edition by Joyce Farrell, and in this video we're covering Chapter 1, Exercise 6. In this problem, I noticed that my previous two videos, the first two I did, the pseudocode I used, it looked a lot different from what the files, you can get files off of the Cengage site if you have the book, and the way they do their pseudocode, it looks a lot more like this rather than the way I had it previously. So from now on I'm going to try to reflect the way they do their pseudocode, so mine's going to look a lot more like this. Also, don't turn this in the way it is. As with all the solutions here, they're modified just slightly, and that's just for, you know, I don't know about getting in trouble with the copyright laws and stuff, so I just modify them very slightly. So let's go ahead and start with this problem. We're being asked to have a program that we can enter three values and have a sum. You know, the program's going to give us the sum of those three values. So with the pseudocode, this problem only asks for pseudocode or a flowchart, so you don't need this up here. I'll always code it out so we can see it. But starting with the pseudocode, we'll have the start here, declarations. We've got our variables here, and you can see value 1, 2, 3, and sum. Then the next thing we're going to have is an output statement telling us to enter the first value. We'll have an input statement for that value. Same thing happens for the second value and the third value. Then the program uses this equation that we've coded in here to add all three values and output the sum. And then we'll have an output statement and the variable sum. So you can see that here, the product of adding the values is variable sum. So whatever's contained in here, and what's going to be contained in there is the sum of all three values you enter. And then at the end you put end. So this is what your pseudocode is going to look like. Let's, I mean, that's basically what all this code looks like too. You can just kind of look that over and see it's very similar. It's just, this is more of like human language, and this is just a little bit more of a computer language like cout, double less than sign, semicolon. So let's go ahead and run this and I'll show you the program working. Let's do 2, 3 would be 5, 4 would be 9. Yep, that's correct. So we can see that the program works, and I think that's about it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.